Namaste, hello. Okay, so by now you have money spell, protection spell, love spell, and weight loss spell, debt clearing spell, job spell, health spell. So you must be thinking what I'm going to give you today. Yes, you must be thinking right, or maybe it may be wrong. But I'm going to give you a spell when you are under attack, how to protect. So this is a self-defense spell, how to protect yourself. When you feel you are under attack, you can do one thing. There are two spells, small spells but very powerful. You have to take a small mirror, round mirror, and sea salt and white candle like this, and a mirror like this, and also sea salt like this. Okay, so what you have to do is, on a Saturday evening, especially if it is falling on new moon or during waning moon phase or new moon night, make a circle of salt, stand inside and make that circle, stand with the mirror inside and white candle, light the white candle and take the mirror in your hand. Now you should not be able to see your face in the mirror, okay? It should be just the opposite side. So you have to take the candle in your hand and it should be like this. You have to keep and move yourself around, take a circle, okay, and keep thinking about the negative actions you have or you got attacked. Don't take a name in your mind, because sometimes we doubt a person and that actually is not the culprit, that someone else is doing, and you are doubting someone else. So it is always best to say, enemy be gone. So this is the word you can use in your mind, and take 3 circles, and never use this mirror for any other purpose but to dispel negativity. This is the reflection, mirror reflection, circle of reflection, circle of protection. May the sender of all harm see the magic of this charm. This is a very old and traditional chant for sending back the negative energy to the sender. So don't take the name, only chant thrice and take circle, take around thrice, and keep this mirror wrapped in a black cloth and snuff the candle. That candle can be used later on for some other spell also after charging it and blessing it, but that mirror cannot be used for any other purpose but for self-defense. So this is the one spell. The other very powerful Indian protection spell is the lemon, green lime. By this, it is very often being followed in India. Indian people are following it, every Saturday. That this lime can dispel any kind of negativity. It will burst if you burn it, if you have negativity in your house, or it will turn, just brown if somebody is attacking you. So how you can use it? Buy a green lime and bring it home, wash it under water, and then charge it saying Kali mantra, Om Kring Kalikaye Namaha, Om Kring Kalikaye Namaha, Om Kring Kalikaye Namaha.
Can we use some other mantra?
You can use your own mantras, yes, definitely you can use your own mantras, if whatever you believe, whomever you believe. So I am using this Kali mantra. Use this. You can use this mantra if you don't know any other. And after that, rotate it from your house anti-clockwise like this. Start it from your entrance rotate it thrice, come back to your entrance, and then roll it like, make a circle of 3 again, and either you can throw it on the crossroads or you can burn it inside your house on gas stove. After burning it, when it is completely gone, turns into ashes, then scatter those ashes in the wind.
But
It will really help you. Yes.
sometimes people rotate it 7 times also, right?
Yeah,
So
3.
is that right?
Always in the odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
It is always
So basically
considered that
7
odd
and
numbers
3
are
is
the
more
magical
auspicious.
numbers. Yes, 3 or 5 or 7. So these numbers are the auspicious and magical numbers. So they have their, they carry a very special, sacred and secret power in it. So you can rotate it thrice or 7 times over your body or from your house or workplace. It will really dispel the negativity and you will see the results after that. Wish you all the very luck, and if you have some suggestions, you want me to give you some spell which you need, you can request for that. You can send me the request on my mail ID or on my Facebook contact. You can Google me, Shivani Durga, and you will come to know all the contacts, and you can directly contact me. If you want me to visit your place, I can do that. If you want me to cast spells for you, I can do that. If you want me to read for you, you want to get the tarot readings done, I can do that for you. You need to send me a request for that and I'll definitely get back to you. Wish you all the very luck. Namaste. Bye-bye.